Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to blur the background image using CSS. By the end of the video you will have this sort of output. You can see I got a background image here which is slightly blurred and there's a text on top of it. So this is what you're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image file here, image.jpg. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need two div elements. Give it a class of bg. Now copy and paste it. Give it a class of text, and here we'll have one h1 element. Text will be hello world. Save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select bg class. Position will be fixed. Top will be 0. Left will be 0. Give it a height of 100%. Width will be same, 100%. Background image will be this, image.jpg. Background size will be cover. Background position will be center. Z index will be -1. Select text class. Give it a height of 300 pixels. Same goes in case of width. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Align items will be center. Margin will be 0 and auto. Background color will be this, RGBA 11, 22, 33 and 0.9. Font color will be white. Border will be 1 pixel solid yellow, and border radius will be 5 pixels. Now save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Now to blur the background image, we have to use the filter property. So let's go to code editor. Here in the bg class, use filter property and blur function. Let's make it 3 pixels to slightly blur it. Save it. Go to browser. And this is the output. Depending upon your requirement, you can increase or decrease the value of blur. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.